Hey everyone, it's Anthony with 5 and 2 Ministries with your Daily Bread. Today I want to examine Judges 11:30 through 31, which says, "And Jephthah made a vow to the Lord, if you give the Ammonites into my hands, whatever comes out of my door of my house to meet me when I return in triumph from the Ammonites will be the Lord's, and I will sacrifice it as a burnt offering." This verse recounts the vow made by Jephthah, a judge of Israel, in a moment of desperation before a battle. His vow is actually a tragic example of rash and misguided zeal. The text later reveals that his daughter was the first to greet him, leading to a devastating outcome. This story highlights the dangers of making impulsive promises to God and the severe consequences of such vows. It's a cautionary tale about the importance of thoughtful, measured devotion rather than impulsive, grandiose gestures. It teaches us that our devotion and promises to God should be made with wisdom and discernment rather than in moments of panic or desperation. Hasty vows can lead to unintended and often painful consequences, not just for us, but for those we love. In our lives, we often find ourselves in situations where we might be tempted to make grand promises or commitments, whether to God, our family, or our friends. Jephthah's story encourages us to pause and reflect before making such commitments. It reminds us to seek God's wisdom through prayer and to ensure that our words align with His will and our capacity to fulfill them. Instead of making impulsive vows, we should focus on living out our faith through consistent, humble, and thoughtful actions. As we navigate life's challenges, let's remember the lesson from Jephthah's story. Let's approach our commitments with the heart of wisdom and discernment, relying on God's guidance. By trusting in God's wisdom and seeking His direction, we can make commitments that honor Him and bring blessings into our lives and the lives of those around us. Let's be encouraged to walk faithfully, making decisions that reflect our deep and thoughtful devotion to God. Thanks for listening and have a blessed day.